Hi, so welcome to this tutorial on how to use the render coloring tool. If you just go and press this button here, it's one file, and if you don't have Flash, just press on that Flash button, press the Manage button, and then just turn that dial there. Go back to the main page, press the link again, and then press Allow. Next, if you go back to the render coloring tool and press the upload file, you may choose any file you want. This enables you to see what your house will look like with the different colours on. Just X out of this. As you can see, you can move the image around. You can use the zoom in button. You can move the location of the image. This tool here enables you to select the areas of the house that you wish to colour. It will draw in straight lines if you just press wherever you want it to stick and just continue to draw around it using the straight lines, and once you've completed the shape, you just click back on the first orange circle that you selected. You now choose a colour. There's a wide range of colours there. You can adjust the opacity of the layer if you want to have more of the texture showing through, or if you want it to be more opaque. This tool here is the cutting tool, so if you've just drawn over a large area like I have, you just simply use this tool to cut out the windows so that you can have that shape. Next is a different way that you could do this. If you're struggling to do it in one go, you can do it in smaller sections. This is only really possible though if you use it on the max opacity, otherwise you're going to have overlap marks. So I'm just filling in the rest of this. So you can choose whatever colour you want. You can have different colours for different sections of the house. Okay, so basically you are able to adjust the sections if they don't line up perfectly the way you drew them the first time. You just grab the orange dots and you just can drag those around so that you can make adjustments to ensure it all lines up correctly. As you can see on the left on the toolbar, there is an option to use a colour picker if you are struggling to find the same colour you used. All you need to do with that is press on the area of colour that you wish to pick, and it will select the correct colour for you. So you can save this file, you can download this. There are also these options here, so you can see the colours in different lighting and at different times of the day. As you can see, there's lots of colour options. All of these colour options are real colours that you can have in your render.